Hello.
Yeah, I'm here. I've
Okay.
been watching the chat.
Okay.
You make analysis mainly on 4 hours
Yeah.
based on what you've been. Then you go to lower time frames to check your entry, or do you take your entry from the 4 hour?
Now I take my entry from 15 minutes time frame.
Okay, so that's why we can hold for 15 minutes.
Yeah. That's
And
yes.
okay, um, okay, what if because for a while I've been learning a lot about order blocks,
Okay.
and some of the things that I've been hearing is that I should do all my analysis on the 4 hours. But many times when he retests my order block,
Okay.
he would have retested on lower time frame, and I
Okay.
would think of taking it. But sometimes if I do it on lower time frames, it's not all the other blocks work on lower time frames. It works a lot more on higher time frame, and that's because there's a lot more noise on lower time frame. So that was the reason why I asked where you take your entries from.
No, I take my entry on. I can. I don't. I can take my entry on higher time frame too, but we are looking. You are looking on the stop loss level. Looking on
Okay.
stop loss. Yeah, you don't have to. To lose much. We all have small accounts. So for us, on 4 hours, if you take a trade using 4 hours for entry using 4 hours, then it means your stop loss will be a little bit bigger and you're gonna lose much. So do your analysis using 4 hours, 1 hour, then look for an opportunity using 1 hour, using lower time frame to buy and then put your stop loss at right places. So
So
any
from
other
most of the charts we've analyzed today, there are no clear, based on what we've been analyzing for some minutes, there are no clear entries yet.
okay.
I'm
Yeah,
just, no, I'm just,
yeah. Oh, they are see a lot of noises. No, we
okay,
are
sir.
on 15 minutes. We are just scalping. Yeah,
Oh,
you can only hold. You can only hold. Yeah, you can hold with a little small lot size. You can hold with a small lot size. Yeah, but for me personally, I'm telling you something that I've been working with. So I just do analysis using higher time frame. Then I look for entries. Mostly for entries, I use 15 minutes chart. Entries, 15 minutes chart. Sometimes 5 minutes if I want to take a risky trade and I see an opportunity before it gonna hit 15 minutes, I'm gonna be out. So I take 5 minutes. And I don't do 1 hour. I don't do 1 minute. Please, I don't do 1 minute because I tried 1 minute last year and I blew all my account because I was busy analyzing using 1 minute. Well, people think that if you trade 1 minute, you're gonna make a lot of money. That's a lie. That's a lie. There's no way you're gonna trade 1 minute and make a lot of money because 1 minute you don't know where the market is going. You don't know where the market will be. You'll be keeping buying and selling and selling and selling when the market on 4 hours is showing you up or showing you down. So from that's my advice. That's my advice.
okay, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you,
For
sir.
even for trading forex, use 15 minutes for entries. They are very good, very good. Stop loss is very nice. We are talking about we don't talk much about profit. First of all, you have to protect your account. Know how much you are risking from this trade. Yeah, yeah. You don't have to blow your account with only one trade because it went against you. No. So any other question? Any other question?
I'm not so sure. I think somebody was saying he cannot hear anything. Maybe you should check.
You cannot hear anything.
Yeah.
But you're already hearing me, so I don't think there is any problem. let me let me let me see if I can. Say I can't hear any.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. It's who? What's your name?
Yeah, concerning your entry, the
Yeah.
way you enter trade with your
Okay. Continue. Hello.
we can't hear him again.
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Hello, can yeah. So from your all the forest pattern you use in entry trade, like the double top, the trade nine and all that, how do you use your parabolic star to enter a trade? Like what are the functions of the parabolic stars in your chart, and what how do you use them to enter a trade?
Oh, okay. What's your name? Samuel.
Somewhere. Yeah.
Oh, okay. The settings of the parabolic.
Yes.
Okay, the setting of the parabolic. I only give to people who have enrolled to mentorship. So it's not okay. You can try. You can just try on your own, coming up with something that you can take a screenshot of this, then try to come up with something that will look similar to this. If you manage to get that, if you manage to get something that will be same as this, try. Actually, I'll mentor you for free, because this is not something that we just came up with in a single day. We tried all the setting, we tried the setting until we came up with something like this. It's a very unique. So it's a one way of where we get best entries. As you can see, this is 4 hours chart. And if you are taking buy and sell from this 4 hours chart, all of them were profitable. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 profitable trades. But if you use a normal setting, a default setting, actually you won't be get. So to get the settings, just enroll to our mentorship. They already have given some people there, and I don't think they're gonna give you the setting because they already paid the money for the setting and for the other stuffs. So I don't know. I can give you the rest. I can give you the RSI, the whatever. I can give you the information.
Okay, so your analysis and your stuff is mainly all the stuff you use is technical analysis and
Now,
parabolic stuff.
uh, yeah, I can say I use production most of the time. I just want to, before I see I don't use all this indicator. I just use before I look at the RSI, I want to see what the happening on the market. Before I use I only use parabolic for entry. Remember, guys, not to trade, for entry. I use my simple moving average of 200 just to check my trend. Yeah, I know a lot of professionals using 200 simple moving. They use 200 to check that. Even the bank, they use 200. There's no any professional trader that does not use simple moving average. They all use simple moving average. But the entry, remember, the entry is the biggest thing in trading. How to enter your trades. You can may get a good analysis, but you don't know how to enter the trade. So I use parabolic for entries. Yeah. Then RSI to spot those stretching areas. RSI just to spot the divergence. Like here is there was a divergence. You enter here, nice opportunity. So yeah, that's what I can say. Any other question? Anyone with any question? You can chat. You can write your message on that. I think there is some messages there. So it will also be working in Forex. I can't hear anything. I think if you're not hearing anything, please let me know. So,
Hello.
okay. Who is this? Kings.
Yeah, it's King. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Please, like all these settings we're talking about, you say that you won't give them out like that. Do you understand? So I
Yeah.
was thinking because this with what I'm seeing here, these are actually hard to set without good guidance.
Yes.
Do you get me?
Yes.
So I don't know if like a person registers for your mentorship class, will you like you give out the settings
For
for the
everything.
charts, right?
Yeah, I give. I give. I
Okay.
give. I just give. Every people. Even there's another person who I was contact. I was the first person to mentor, and I do check on her. So I asking how you are doing. So she told me she's doing fine. She's doing fine. The settings is helping him. At least at least now he was able to enter his or her own trades. So I do follow up. So see if still struggling or yeah. So I give everything, and we also do follow up. So to see how you are. You don't leave you like that. No, you don't leave you like that. Yeah. There's a lot. There are a lot to teach.
Not
So
only because what I see is some of like for me that is a new trader. This looks very complicating to me.
and and I notice you are very scared too. You are
Yeah,
very
I'm very
scared.
scared because
You
you
are very
know
scared.
I told you earlier, this price of the things, the emotion is really too much. If you lose money, like yesterday, the trade as in
Yeah,
almost
yeah.
50% of the trade we called yesterday.
Uh,
I was holding till stop loss. I woke up this morning and saw that half of my money is gone.
okay,
Do you understand? But by the grace of God, I know that I will make it back with time. Just
okay,
that I would really love if I could use my phone to
okay.
analyze the market like this.
Oh, you don't
Do you
have
understand? But
you don't have
anyhow, sure, by the grace,
a laptop.
I don't have a computer. No.
Yeah, yeah. You can really set this. You can really set this. It's very nice setting. As long as the first thing, guys, is not about the indicator. It's not about I usually say not about the indicator. It's about the market. Remove this indicator. If I remove this indicator, what do you see? What do you see before I add all this indicator? What do you see? Then from there you just adding up now the small indicator. Then so if you have a double top, and this is a very nice double top. Some people wait for doji, some people wait for but if you have this parabolic setting, it's get you into the trade, tell you okay, now it's time to enter the market. If you want to trade the trend, you just wait for market to pull back up, come back down, pull up again, sell when the parabolic confirms. So go up again. If the parabolic are not confirmed for sale, leave it. If confirmed, then sell. Then hold as much you want until the parabolic confirms. Can hold until you are how much you want. Then until this for trading the trend. So if you are trading the trend, so like this was a downtrend. So people who are trading the trend, they are selling and selling before even starting sending boom and crash signal. There's a video that I posted on YouTube about trading support and retest using parabolic setting and using trend. So you can go and check out. I think I didn't give the setting, yes, but I just showed how you can buy on trend and you can sell on trend. So any other question?
No,
Hello?
I'm okay, bro.
Hello?
Yeah, okay. Hello,
Okay. Are you hearing me?
I can hear you.
Hello?
I can hear you.
Hello?
I can hear
Yeah,
you.
okay. Is it possible? Okay, yes, yes. Okay. Is it possible for us to have one-on-one training?
Uh,
One-on-one.
yes, possible.
Okay. Where which town are you? Where are you?
I'm from
Yes.
Kenya.
Okay, no, it's okay. Okay, okay. It's not possible then. It's not possible because somebody has to be in Kenya to have one-on-one with you.
One on one, seeing my face and seeing
Yes,
my face. No, 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 no.
yes, Ali.
Yeah, it's not possible.
Yes.
Yeah, it's not possible.
It's not possible. Yes, yes. It's okay. It's okay. Thank you very much.
Yeah, yeah.
This is basically one-on-one training. It's like seeing you. So there is no mean for you
Yeah,
to be
yeah,
the
no,
person.
yeah.
Yeah, I understand
Do
that.
you understand?
Yeah.
This is
No, I'm from
everything you need
Kenya.
to know.
Yeah,
Just
I'm from Kenya. The only thing you need to see each other is maybe you can see through internet.
Yeah,
So okay. Any other
okay.
question concerning trading? Two, another thing I noticed about
It's
King.
okay. I
King
understand. Thank you.
Kings.
yeah,
Yeah.
I'm listening.
Yeah, the thing I noticed about you is the lot size, dude. The lot size, man. No, no, no.
Yeah.
They try as much as you can. Reduce the losses. And then another thing, it's not advisable to add a position to a losing position. It's not advisable. But if you want to add, if you feel like this trade, if what if there's a place where you feel like it's gonna crash, but you don't want to miss
Yeah.
that trade. Just use a smaller lot size. A half of your initial lot size, then see what the market will be doing. If you're gonna crash again, that's a good opportunity. Now you buy your remaining loss size. Then you see if you're gonna hit your stop loss, gonna go up. Don't just give everything on that the first entry. Pap, you give everything, and then you wait for market to go up. Then poop, it goes down. Another thing, you can just hold for 15 minutes, close your some of your trades, because we don't know what you'll be in profit. Close some trades, then hold the rest. Just hold the rest. Hold until it hit your TP. If it move a little bit in profit, lock some profit. Move your stop loss at least closer to your entry. You don't just have to leave all the money open. Just some. I know, guys, you
Okay.
are
Okay.
new to
Thanks. Thanks.
you are new to trading, but you're gonna know these things slowly by slowly.
I don't know how you help him. I'm just looking for money because I asked you the other time that if I can call you. So I would really like if I have money to pay for your mentorship class so that I can know these things before going into this journey because this as in is not everything that they told me about forex is what I'm seeing.
No, 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 no. How long have you been trading, or how long have you since you were introduced to trading?
I was
1 year.
introduced to trading around
1 year.
June.
June last this
No,
last
June.
June
This
last
year. Yeah, this year.
this year. Oh, only 3 months.
Yeah, June this year.
Oh, yeah. 3 months. You must be. Yeah, I understand the emotional. Yeah, the fear. There's this fear of losing. Yeah, fear of losing.
Yeah.
Yeah, fear of losing comes in when okay, yeah, you need that mentorship. I think you need that mentorship. You need to learn your own strategy. Yeah, you need to learn your own strategy, because that fear comes in when you are taking a trade and you don't know how this trade will go. You don't know when to exit the trade. That's where the fear of losing comes in. Yeah. So but if you're taking our signal, we'll give you a stop loss, give you a TP, tell you when to close. Yeah, sometimes we actually we don't know how to close or to hold to stop loss, to hold to TP. The market still reach a point whereby we don't know, should we close, should we hold, or should we hold to stop loss. So it's sometimes the market can give you decisions to decide. So actually you are stagnant. No. Until I wait a spike. If I get a spike, I usually tell you guys close with break even. If I don't get that spike, then continue to hold. If you get that spike, and maybe spike is very huge, is there's possibility that gonna spike and spike and spike. Just yeah, we have been this market and we understand these things. Yeah. Hello, another
So
part.
after the class, I'll call you. I'll call you on WhatsApp so that we'll talk more
Okay,
on how I will get into the mentorship class.
okay. So another person, Emmanuel. Do you have any question?
And for me, I've been trading for this is like
Hello.
the fourth year now.
Okay.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yes, so I've been trading, and this is the fourth. Okay, going to the fourth year
Okay.
in trading for me. So most of these things I am a bit used to them, to the
Okay.
trainings and all of this. My main aim presently is to grow capital enough, and that is why I subbed for the signal class, to be able
Okay.
to grow capital enough while I continue mastering my own um, strategy.
Okay.
And also, I'm really grateful for the class. The class has been
um, has been insightful. I'm seeing it's not necessarily most of the things that I've seen them before. I I think one of the things that is, and it can be an advice to many other people too that are here, is going to be patience to grow an account, because like today now somebody is going to be thinking that he needs signal so that to make up for the loss of yesterday or whatever. But
Okay.
I think patience, consistency is really what will win the game for us. But I hope to have enough capital to be able to trade more, because I
Okay.
see directions that I cannot be able to. I don't want to hold, because of trading psychology. I don't want to hold like 3 4 trades at the same time.
Yeah.
It will be better if I'm holding like 2 trades at the same time, so that I know that even if one is in loss and one is in profit, it still helps my psychology. If I have 4 trades and maybe 3 are in loss, they
Yes.
might reverse back to profit, but I might not be patient enough to wait
Yes.
for that kind of stuff. So that's just what my stuff is. I think for me, based on this class, I think there's nothing really new for me to learn again. What it
Okay.
is for me to learn is the patience and continuously working on my strategy to ensure that I get better. So I'll be working with the signals, and we hope for very very nice signals. We've been having very nice one, extremely nice one. Like, I don't know why there were complaints about yesterday when I discussed with you about my trade yesterday.
Yeah.
My trade yesterday was just one spike that happened immediately when I opened the
That
trade. I was
oh
not
the
able to close.
yeah, the one that you put two lots.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. I
that
wasn't
was
I wasn't able to close the trade before, close part of it before, to remain
oh,
0.1,
yeah,
and I take that completely as my fault. I've lost in trading before, so it's not a problem for me. I'll
yeah,
keep
yeah,
growing it. It has been really perfect. I think
yeah,
it was about, it has been really really perfect. The signals are perfect, so I hope for more clearer signals, and
yeah,
I continue to analyze myself and enroll for mentorship when it's time.
yeah, yeah,
That's
yeah. I notice you have been profiting a lot from the signal. Yeah, I think
yeah.
you are,
I
yeah,
have
you are
been.
following. Yeah, I think 4 years of trading. Yeah, you're doing a great. You're trading. Yeah, you're doing a great job. Yeah, if not for that, and another thing is when you place a trade, when you want to reduce your lot size, don't use
Yeah.
two lots. Don't use two lots. Use, if you want to place like one lot, use three. Use 0.3. Yeah, use 0.3,
Okay.
close 0.2. It will be, don't use bigger then closer. No, they know. These people know. They don't crash because the market is crashing. No, they crash because they know you have placed that bigger lot size. They want to eat you. Yeah,
Wow.
yeah, they the one who are controlling the market. They are controlling this market on themselves there to get more profit.
Yeah, I've always heard about the market makers, and I've been spending time to study about them. That's my has been my next study recently. How market makers made the market, because that's exactly what happened yesterday. It was just that loss. Apart from that loss, I think my account would have been going to almost triple
Yeah, true.
since Monday. It has been extremely amazing. It is still over double of what I had on Monday, so it is
Yeah,
extremely amazing.
very
The
nice.
signals have been amazing. All I
Very,
need to continue working on is my strategy. I'm sure that before the week runs out, I would have made back all the losses and
yeah,
would have
very
continued.
nice.
So thank you very much. It's really, really perfect.
Okay. So I have John. So we have Robert. Let me answer the Robert question on the chat. Robert says, will it also work in forex trading? How long is your mentorship program? Yeah, the strategy, the parabolic works in forex trading. The only difference between boom and the forex is there's no spikes there, and you can easily lock your profit easier. So there's no nothing like gonna be spike, or but the strategy still works very well. But in forex trading, I'm gonna advise to trade with the trend, and then use support and resistance. Wait for market to break support, then enter. Wait the market to break support on the trend. If the market breaks support, then retest the support to be the resistance, then start it continuing down, then use the parabolic for entry. So that's
Okay.
what I can say. So that's it.
Okay.
The
Why
mentorship
why
is lifetime.
we now switch these two? to why don't we also hold for if this works perfectly on forex, could it be because most people have small account? Because I think that's the limitation that I've seen mostly with forex,
uh,
that small account is very hard
to grow.
to grow a small account on FX. It's easier. Like to double the accounts I said, like in just 2 days, it will not happen in FX.
Yeah, yeah. In FX, I don't know about it. FX. No, they move. There's a lot of consolidation in FX. The first thing in FX, you cannot trade 15 minutes. The five minutes, you cannot trade 1 minute. There's a lot of consolidation.
Yeah,
The market hit your stop loss and then it move back in your way.
it
Hit
moves
your
back here.
stop loss, moving back. So there's a lot of, I don't know, man. There's a lot. Forex market. If you want to grow a small account on forex, I just advise take one pair. Take one pair. Just take one pair. Always trade that pair. You'll be profitable. If you are trending the trend, trend with the trend. Only that pair. If you are trending against the trend, trade with against the trend. Only that pair. I swear to you, you'll be profitable. Only one pair. Don't trade more pair. Only one pair. It will be easy to know today I made this, yesterday I made this. Only one pair.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'll stick to that. I'll work on that for FX. Thank you very much.
Okay. There was John. Where's John? James. I mean James. So you had a question.
I think they were asking about the bot or something.
Yeah. Oh, the bot.
Yeah,
The bot
I
is not.
think so.
The bot is not ready. I don't want to give you a bot that gonna blow your account in next 3 days. I don't want to make you happy in 1 week, and then later you come to me account was blown. No. Let's give us time. The bot actually is trading. It's on my. If you can see on my chart, you remember I told you about reversing a trade. I,
Yeah.
you remember that. So this bot was able to. It's a losing bot. We created a losing bot. It's not a winning bot. We try to do the opposite of what people are looking. People are looking for profitable bots, but us, we are looking for a losing bot. Then what we do when this bot is losing, we reverse the trades. You understand?
Okay, meaning that you manually set a
No,
trade that is opposite what it did.
not
Okay,
manually.
what will it be?
There is a software. There is a software that can reverse your trades. For
Okay,
if you can see my chart is a sell of 0.2. The bot is selling 0.2. So on and it's losing. I think the trade is losing right now. It has lost $0.59. Okay. And this bot is used. I won't say much about the bot because I know people. I'll post this thing on YouTube and they're gonna get my strategy. So whenever it's losing on the main account, on the other account, so this bot is losing. You see, it's losing. So once it's losing on the so we connect this bot losing on another account, losing on demo. It will be losing on demo, okay, and then we reverse this trade on live account. You understand?
all right.
Yeah, you make it lose on demo, but reverse the trade on live account. So you make sure the EA is losing, not winning. Make sure it is loses. So we are doing the opposite of what people are doing outside there. They are busy by looking for an EA that wins and later blow the account. But what we are doing, we are getting an EA that will lose. Then we reverse the trades. We reverse the trades.
Okay.
Yeah. So it will be soon. It will be soon ready. If it will be ready, if it will be performing well, then we'll be talking about another thing. So any other question?
Yeah,
Um,
fresh. I wanted to give a suggestion, but I don't
Yeah.
know how those play as in how you guys will see it. You know the signals you use. I've been trading, like I told you, I've been trading forex for like 3 months now. You understand? And
Okay.
since I joined your Telegram platform,
Okay.
I've been making little profit, even though I got a correction from you now.
Okay.
So I was thinking if the members of the group we all agree, do you get me?
Okay.
You'll be giving signals like for a week. Then after that signals for a week, the profit from that signals we use it to join your VIP signal group.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Okay.
Because with what I'm seeing here, we need to go on as in on we need to have many trainings. Like you have to understand this thing to the core before you be able to analyze the market by yourself.
Yes.
Do you understand? So I'm just giving a suggestion. If it's good, let's follow it like that. Then if it's bad, we can
Okay.
just leave it. Because with what I'm seeing here, this is not what you just try and jump into. Because if you try to jump into it, maybe you will lose a lot of money.
Yeah. Yes. Yes. So we want signal for a week. So okay. Okay. I don't know. I don't know if we do give two signal per day, free signal, and if you lose the two signal, we try to bring another two signal for recovery. So that's what most of people do. I think, I don't know. I'll think about that. Then we can see if you can have the discussion. But two signal, if they win, okay, we are done with the free guys. If it loses, we give another two signal for recovery. So because I know very well, if you have a good strategy, you don't have to lose two times. You don't have to lose two times on the same indices. Remember, you don't have to lose two times on the same indices. Uh, if you lose the first entry, the second entry should be a win.
Yeah.
Yeah, especially on boom and crash. Very easy to win the second win. Even if you don't win much, you will win some profit that you're gonna recover. Remember, if you lose and you place another trade and there you don't have to hold for more profit. Remember, you lost $3 and now you have another trade that already made $2. Close that $2, it will be help you to recover the $3. So you'll have only $1 to recover. Then you wait for another signal to recover from that. Yeah. So that's what I usually do. I myself. If I have some losses, maybe two early morning losses, and then I enter another trades, I'll close some profits to recover the initial loss. Then I leave some trades for the next. Okay, guys. Okay, another question. Hello.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear. What's your
Can you
name?
hear me?
Yeah.
This is same Samuel about the parabolic sir.
Okay.
Yeah, from what I'm seeing in this chart now, I can see that the parabolics are creating dynamic support and resistance. As the parabolic creates a support, the candles will move up, and when it creates a resistance, a dynamic resistance, the candlestick will be going downward. So actually, my question is that, is it that, okay, let's say this is boom 500 now, and actually the parabolic SAR is on a support, that is the parabolic SAR is moving up, then is it that immediately it shows a dot at the top, that is it form the first dot which create a resistance? Is it that is that when you usually enter the trade and sell, or
Oh,
there are
okay.
more parabolic SAR you look into?
Okay. I want to correct you. For parabolic SAR, it's not parabolic. First of all, is it's called what? Stop and reverse. It's not resistant and support. Not support and reverse. It's called stop and reverse. It's not support and resistance. Let me correct you there. It's no, yeah. So parabolic
Okay.
does not deal with support and resistance. It is stop and reverse. That's why it's called SAR, parabolic SAR. Stop, cross, reverse. So okay, this is how it works. Once the first dot appears, you sell, and once the another dot appear on the other side, you buy. So you enter here, and then you close here.
Okay. Hello.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
That is that, like, there was a pause where you talk about stop and reverse. I couldn't hear what you are saying again.
Or the parabolic is called stop and reverse. Stop and reverse.
Okay.
Yeah, stop and reverse, not support and resistance.
Okay.
Yeah, you understand now.
Yeah.
So yeah, the first dot, initially the first dot is enough. The first dot is enough. Or take the second dot. The second dot. You can take first dot, second dot. Yeah, just enough. I just usually take the first dot, the accurate entry. Yeah, I don't want to miss the trade. No, sometimes you can miss the trade waiting for the second dot. Yeah. So any other question, guys?
No, we okay,
Is
bro.
it
It's
possible
just
for the
for us
group to be
to.
open for analysis?
Yeah.
Is it possible for the groups to be open for analysis? I mean that people, um, it shouldn't just be signals like where assignments can be given, we can analyze and drop on the group.
You can analyze and do on your group.
Like we can make our analysis and maybe drop our, um, I don't know, just discussions about what we feel the trend is like on any of
Yeah.
the.
Yeah, there's no problem. You can discuss about boom and crash on the chat. Then I can give you some support. Can give you some support. Yes. I'll
Thank you.
give you some just analyze. You can just all you can learn from each other. You can learn from each other.
Thank you.
Okay, okay. Someone raised an hand, so I don't know who he is, so he can talk.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah,
Can
hello.
you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. Actually, I've been listening, and it's a very good one. It's been a
Okay,
good one so far.
okay,
But thing is, I just want to make a suggestion according to what King said, that
okay,
if you can probably trade for like a week, so we can raise our account and then pay for VIP. Thing is, I got to know your channel last week, and
okay,
before then I had blown my account to like $4.
okay,
$4. So
okay,
I just say this. So I was able to like grow that $4 to roughly $35 from your signals. Like
okay,
within like a 4 3 days, I was able to grow from $4 to like $30 from your signals. So
okay,
I believe thing is okay, you have the idea, you have the knowledge and all that. So I think it would be nice if you make some money from it and at the same time help people grow, because when you post 2 signals every day, people won't grow. Like there's no growth. Like it just depends on signals. So maybe if you just like come up with a rule that okay, the next 2 weeks I'll be giving you guys signals to grow your account,
okay,
those, so you can pay for my VIP or mentorship. Then after 2 weeks,
okay.
those who are able to like grow their accounts will just migrate to your VIP or your mentorship. So at least while you're giving
Yeah,
out signals,
I,
you just
I,
teaching people how to fish and just giving them fish alone. I don't know
yeah.
if it's a very wonderful idea and all that. It's a very good one, really. Really, I love your strategy and all that.
Okay, I like your idea. You remember I told you about
Hello?
okay. You hello. You
Yeah,
get
just take your time and think about it. You making money from it, and also we will be learning.
okay, okay. I understand. I
From,
understand
from,
the
from this journey, I feel like Fresher has done so well in doing that for
Yeah,
everyone.
yeah,
I feel like
yeah.
I've been here for a while. I think Fresher has done so well, extremely well. I'm on the VIP signal, and most times there are more signals on the free channel than the VIP
yeah.
signal. Sometimes recently because
Yes,
of the free guys. And
yes,
he intentionally did that because I talked to him about it, and he told me that it was intentional to
yes.
allow the free guys to have some things recently. So for the past during this week, the free guys have had more signals
Most, yeah,
than
exactly.
we. Yeah.
Yeah, than those people on
So I
VIP.
think Fresher is doing so well to do that to ensure we grow our account. What I think is the issue is many people having to use higher lot size. So they higher lot size when they lose. So they
Yeah,
lose
yeah,
money
I observed that
for
too. I observed that too.
a while. That is has been the problem. I don't think Fresher has done so well to give us free signals. His signals are too profitable for it to be free. I've been trading for a while. I think I've seen a lot of signal groups. His signals are too profitable to be free, but
Yeah,
and he's still opening $50 for a lifetime VIP signal. That's extremely amazing.
yeah. That's why. Okay, yeah, yeah. So there's channel that give only one signal a day. only one signal. And before even I started trading, I remember there's this group that trade forex. They call they limited. They call they investment. I don't know if you want that group, if you want that channel. They give a lot of signal per day. I enrolled them, but they were giving only one signal a day. And then on a week, they tell you they are making a lot of money. They are making 2,000 pips, making 3,000 pips. So one day I decided to enroll to that group. So the first 2 days was good, but the second day, actually, whatever they give the results they post on weekly on the free channel, it's not the same thing that people are doing on the VIP. Actually, I was pissed because I lost $200 in one day, and I deleted
Hmm.
that group despite I had paid for 1 month. So don't believe in these guys. Don't believe on those signals that you see someone saying he grew. No, sometimes it's just luck. No, sometimes it's luck. Sometimes just want you to join there. It's just giving you good signal outside. It's just giving. The reason why he giving only one signal is because he know very well if that signal gets you into profit. Yeah, you're gonna be like to enter into the East VIP. But if that signal loses, he'll tell you you not lose much. So he know very well. If he send you 3, 4 signal and all them loses, you'll peace with that group. So you'll get out. And that's why they only send one signal at a time. But don't be fooled with those. There's another guy who told me that he had gone to a lot of groups and had bought a lot of VIP channel, but he keep blowing account every day. Yeah, and another and this thing about people believing that volatility 75 can make you rich. Guys, stop. That volatility can make you very poor. On the other side, can make you very poor. So the thing of volatility 75 can make you rich. Forget about it. Yeah, that thing is terrible. That thing is terrible. You understand? You understand, guys, right?
Yeah, I understand
Yeah,
perfectly. I understand
we are
perfectly.
listening.
Okay, so if you don't have any question, then
I think we should go back to trading for
yeah,
today.
yeah, she should go and look some opportunities.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys.
For,
Thank
for
you
the
very
pressure,
much, sir.
please give a thought to what we said. You understand?
Yeah,
So
yeah,
that
yeah,
maybe in the evening you give us feedback, please.
yeah. I'll do that.
Yeah, okay. Thanks very much. You're the
Oh,
best, bro.
okay.
Hello.
Hello,
Hello,
hello.
can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, yeah, I just want to ask a question about trading psychology.
Okay,
Since so far you have been trading now, you have been trading for more than 4 years, right?
okay. Yeah, that's right. Okay, ask your question. Hello, your
I don't think
network. Your network.
Like I said, what are the worst experience you have since when you have been trading that made you to think about maybe quitting trading? What are the worst experience you had?
Okay, yeah, the hardest part was coming up with the strategy. Before I started, first of all, I didn't learn trading on my own. I went to a class, and the class was totally free. But the teacher there, he didn't tell us about more about trading. Just tell us we're gonna make a lot of money while sitting. So after 2 to 3 months, I deposit $30 and I made $10 from that $30, and I was so happy. I knew this thing was easy. And in 2 weeks, I had already lost those $30. That's where I realized this thing is not your brother. Eh? So later, I enrolled to copy trading on Forex. I lost copy trading on Forex. I made $10 to $20. I made $100 to $200. Then I didn't know that copy trading is involved on boats. I didn't know it was about trading. I thought it was a guru. No, When you are in a 6 month trading, you just know that there's guru outside there. There's guru that know how to trade. I didn't know it's a bot. So I was happy the bot was doubling in my account. I was thinking that maybe it's a guru that is trading the trade. Then later I blew my 200, my profit plus my 100 account. Then I post from there. So I traded on my own $100 account and then I blew. Then when I just felt like I should quit. But there was a friend of mine that we do trade with. He could come daily with a different strategy, different strategy. Yeah, I could come with different strategy and testing different strategy. And then I reach a point whereby your strategy is losing today, it's making you tomorrow money, it's losing next day. I realize no, this maybe it should be your psychology. So I learned to take loss, as loss is always is an obvious thing. I learned also to take profit. Profit is also an obvious thing. I learned where to put my stop loss, which is very important. I knew where to put my TP, which is also very important. And then after there, I learned the settings. I came up with the setting of the parabolic, how to enter a trade, and I realized I'm getting better entry using this parabolic. Then if I add as a simple moving hour, and I created this RSI 21 myself, then could be a good opportunity. But I can say I didn't lose much. I've not lost much from trading, but that thing of getting a that thing of getting a profitable strategy is the hardest thing in forex trading. Getting a profitable strategy is the hardest thing. It will make you quit forex trading or trading at a binary or derivative. Hello, ask your question. Hello.
We're here. I am here.
Yeah, so I'm think I've answered your question.
I think so. Yeah.
Yeah, for those who people are new in trading, that's not an easy thing. So I don't. Okay, that's the emotion thing. Understand the emotion thing when you're losing. Yeah, that's the hardest part. That's the hardest part. Forget about the winning trade. The losing trade, it will determine who you are. It will determine who you are. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. And lastly, the this stuff I want to ask is not really about trading, it's about the Zoom. I realized that the class closed one time saying that we have exceeded time limit or something. You were saying that you had not fully subscribed for
Yeah.
Zoom.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Zoom. You need to subscribe Zoom to get more minutes.
So normally the normal time is 40 minutes or 45.
Yeah, 40 minutes. Then they you start again in another 40 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, usually 40 minutes, then you start again 40 minutes. But if you want more hours, you subscribe with them, you pay them, they can give you more hours.
Okay.
Yeah. So guys,
Thank you.
let's see you on the trading side, on the
All right, sir.
Telegram side. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Okay, thanks very much.
Okay.
This guy is very nice.